Hey guys, welcome to Measure and Mix. I am going to show you a yummy recipe for egg-free cookie dough bites. So if you love to eat cookie dough but are worried about the eggs, this is the treat for you. First, you take your butter and brown sugar and cream that together. After that mixture is creamed, then you add the flour, condensed milk, and the vanilla and mix that all together. After this mixture is combined, then you add the chocolate chips and stir those in. Then place this mixture into the refrigerator for up to an hour to let it firm. Once it's firm enough, you can roll it into balls and place them on a wax-lined cookie sheet and place those back in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, take your chocolate chips and some oil and melt those in the microwave in 30-second increments. And then take your cookie dough bites out of the refrigerator and you're ready to dip them and coat them in the chocolate mixture. After you have coated the bites in chocolate, place them back in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to let the chocolate harden, and then they'll be ready to enjoy. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And as always, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I'm going to go eat my cookie dough bites now. So see you guys next time. Bye!